Hey guys, it's Zarieya Nykia here. I'm here with this beginner smoky eye. If you want to see how I got this smoky eye, keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the video, guys. My eyelids using LA Girl Pro Concealer and Cool Tan. I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. Just want to warm it up on the back of my hand. I'm going to apply that with my Morphe brush. I forgot what brush number that is. Now I'm just going to buff that out using this e.l.f. blending brush, and it's going to make sure that blend out greatly. I'm using one of my go-to palettes today. This is the Soft Glam by Anastasia, and I'm going to take that black eyeshadow, it's called Muir, I believe, and put that all over my lid. And make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share this video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvias, and I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and just blend out my crease and a little bit of that black eyeshadow. Going back into that Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm going to take this light cream shadow and I'm going to blend out the edges of all those shadows that I applied and make this smoky eye really pop and blend. The way I did this eye is really easy for beginners, so if you want to try it, go right ahead, you will achieve it. I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Colossal Shot Mascara to prime my lashes for my false lashes. Guys, I so forgot the name of these lashes and I done threw them in the garbage already. So I really do apologize. I need to start, keeping up with these names, these lashes. Because I actually really did like this pair of lashes. I'm just going to apply those using some tweezers and the Sassy Lash Glue. Now I'm priming my face using the Maybelline Poreless Face Primer. And I'm going to rub that all over my T-zone. And I'm using the Born This Way by Too Faced Foundation. I'm going to blend that all over. I'm going to blend it out using my flat kabuki brush. I'm going to conceal using a No Filter Concealer by ColourPop in the shade Dark, I believe. I'm going to blend that out using my Damp Beauty Sponge by Morphe. Now I'm going to set my highlighted areas using the Kat Von D translucent setting powder. And I'm going to just dab that into my skin. I'm going to contour using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Expresso. And I'm going to just contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm just going to blend that out using a stippling brush by e.l.f. Now I'm just going to dust away this excess setting powder with this fluffy brush. Just making sure everything blends out smoothly and there's no harsh lines anywhere. I want to set my contour areas with the Black Radiance contour palette. Now here I'm cleaning up my contour using that same translucent powder and just going to go underneath my contour. Now I'm going to apply my black eyeliner to my waterline. Going back to the Zulu palette by Juvias, I want to take that brown and run it along my lower lash line to help that black eyeliner blend. Taking the same fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out that translucent powder that I put underneath my contour. Now I'm taking the Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty and placing that in my inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to set my face using a Morphe setting mist, and I'm actually doing this a little bit different. I have to record a foundation routine for you guys, because now I'm setting my face before I put my highlighter on. And the highlighter I'm using today is Huslta Baby by Fenty Beauty. And you guys, I love this highlighter. I like how it applies before or after I set my face. It just blends like it's my skin. It doesn't look patchy or anything. Now I want to go in with this brown lip liner by NYX and line my lips. For my lip, I'm using a new matte liquid lipstick by NYX, and this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching.